Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert your Facebook profile to Facebook page. First, tap the menu and go to your profile, like so, and then click this three-dot button, scroll down to the end and press copy link. Go back to your timeline, click the menu once again and go to settings and privacy. Under that, you will see settings and then go to personal information and then tap your name. And then tap learn more, then press find out why. Find and tap fill out this form. You'll see at the end of the page, convert this account to a page and just tap that. You'll see that it redirects you to the help center. Once you see the question, was this helpful? Tap no. And then choose other. Paste here your profile link and ask Facebook team to convert it to page. And then submit it. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.